What you need to do is you need to use that sheet that I've just given you, follow along, and learn how to count atoms. Okay? Now, we're going to get to that. You didn't hear the part where I said I need a little bit of time to get it all together, right? I got to mix it all, and I got to do all that ahead of time. It doesn't just appear, you know. It's not like Christmas presents. You have to actually go and get them, you know, eh? Okay, so why do we need to count atoms? It's needed for balancing equations. So, first of all, let's look at the first one there. That one's pretty simple. You've got on your sheet. Where did I put my...
Write it down.
Yeah, right on the sheet that I gave you. Did I have to say that? It's really funny how sometimes I have to repeat myself. Okay, the symbol of an element represents one atom of that element. So if you've got Ca, what does that mean? One atom of Ca.
Calcium.
I need someone just to hold the periodic table up for the rest of the period. No, I'm kidding. But I will get this up real quick.
Don't nail it on the wall there.
If you've got something like this, N2, that means 2 atoms of nitrogen. Now these 2 atoms of nitrogen, would they be a covalent bond or would they be an ionic bond?
Covalent.
I'm going to try and give you the same facial reaction. Which one is it?
Nitrogen.
Why do you say ionic?
Not that. I'm guessing the opposite.
Ionic, remember, is between what? Ionic bonds are between?
Non-metals.
Are they? Ionic bonds are between a metal over here and a non-metal over here, right? So this is a covalent bond, right? Sharing of atoms. N2 is a gas. It's one of those diatomic gases. Remember Mr. Hofbrinkel?
No, you didn't know.
Yes, I did. HOF. You write down whatever you want. I'm teaching. You write down what you think you need to learn. I'm not going to tell you what to write down. Hofbrinkel. It's one of those. Okay. If you've got... Oh, that's a big jump. Oh, I think I spelled Hofbrinkel wrong. There's no N in there, is there? The N is there, yeah. Okay. Okay, now, if you've got subscripts like this is quite a big jump, isn't it, right? If I've got just BA3, now is that 1 B and 3 A's, or what is that?
BA
3 BAs. How do you know it's not a B and an A and an A and an A? What's the rule? It's lowercase, exactly, Layden. The B and the A are one element. Anytime there's a lowercase letter, it's always with the uppercase letter right before, right? So the B and the A is actually on here, barium, right? What you do when your cat dies? Barium. Thank you. Thank you, yes. Got a little smile there. Nathan's laughing. That's what you do when your grandpa dies. Okay. If you've got a subscript like this outside the bracket, see, can we move on? If you've got a bracket outside like that, what does that mean? It means I got 3 BAs. Sadie, I need you to watch. I know, and so is that earbud that you're holding up to your ear. This means that I've got 2 PO4s. Right? I've got 3 BAs and I've got 2 PO4s. So how many do I have altogether?
8.
I've got 3 BAs, 1, 2 Ps, and I've got 8 Os. Okay?
How are we supposed to write that? Just like that?
However you think is good. Yeah. You learn how to write it. Now, how could I get that from just looking like, do I need to write this step down, do you think? Some of you might need that step, and that's okay. I've got 3 BAs, I've got 2 PO4s, so I've got 2 P's. It's almost like you could put like a little 1 there, right? And then you just multiply. 2 times 1 is 2 P's, 2 times 4 is 8 O's. Does that make sense? Erica, yeah? Yeah? Good, Chance? You do realize, Chance, that a little bit, very soon, I'm going to be asking you to do this. I'm now showing you how to do it, right? That's what I'm doing right now. So you don't have to ask me later, because I'm showing you now. Okay. What we call a coefficient. A coefficient is a number in front of a chemical symbol. Does it say that on the sheet? It does say that. A coefficient is a number in front of a chemical symbol. So if you've got 3C, well, that means 3 atoms of carbon. Okay, and you've got that right there, 3C. Or it could mean the number of molecules in that compound as well. So we would multiply the number of atoms of each element in the formula. The 2 out front is very similar to having a bracket with a 2 like that. The only difference means these are bonded. I'm going to go back to it. This means I have 2 H2O molecules that are separate.
What do you write where orders?
You don't write anything. Did I write anything where order was? It's this or this. So 2H2O means 2 molecules of H2O. So I have an H2O and another H2O. How many H's altogether? 4 H's, right? I have an H2 and an H2. That's 4 H's. And how many O's? How many O's? 1, 2. 2 O's. Right here, Chance. How many H's there?
2.
How many there? 2 and 2, right?
Whatever.
Not whatever, 2 and 2.
Let's see, 1 H. 2 H's, but only 1 H.
2 H's,
There's an H and another H.
but there's 2 of them. It's H2.
Yes, there's 2 H's.
2 and 2.
You know what he's talking about.
I feel like I'm watching Abbott and Costello here. If you have something like this, 3 FeSO4. I have 3 FeSO4. So FeSO4, FeSO4, FeSO4. So, how many Fe's? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many S's? 3. 1, 2, 3. And now the hard one. How many O's, Troy? 4. And 4. And 4. 12 O's. You can get that by multiplying, right? The 3 times the 4 gives you 12. Good, Nathan? Yeah, makes sense? Mike? Okay, last one, and then you're going to have a chance to try some. Here's the hard one. 4 CuNO3 4 CuNO3 So I have 4 of those guys, 4 CuNO3 So I have CuNO3 and another CuNO3 and another CuNO3 and another CuNO3 And you don't have to write this all down. In fact, I would just watch. Put your pens down and just watch for a second. Put your pens down and watch. No copying. No copying notes. Darn kids always copying notes. I'll show you. Okay, so in this I've got one Cu, and I've got how many NO3s? What's this number right here? 2. I've got 2, but that 2 only applies to the bracket stuff. 2 NO3s. So I've got a CuNO3 and another NO3, which is Cu and N, how many O's? 1, 2, 3, how many O's? 1, 2, 3. And each one of those is the same. So how many do I have all together? How many Cus? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many N's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How can I get that out of this? How do I get my 8? I got NO3, 2. I got 2 N's, but I got 4 of them. 4 times 2 gives me 8 N's. And how many O's? 24. How would you get 24 out of this Cole? Was it you that was saying that? Yeah, 4 times 3 times 2. 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 O's. I get that it's not easy. Some of you might think it's easy, that's fine. Okay. This one is just practice. Okay? This is the one that we're going to help you with. There's 8 of them. Okay? When you think you're ready for the hand-in, let me know. I'm going to help you with this. I'm not going to help you with the hand-in one. This next page right here. We'll get to the crossword one. It was just inadvertently photocopied on it. Let's do the counting one right now. I'll give you answers in a bit. I'm going to do the answers right away. Here's what okay, so under type of atom, you would have an Na, a C, and an O, right?
Yeah, 2, 1, 3.
2 Nas,
1, 3.
1 C, 3 O's, for a total of, I guess, 6, right? Easy stuff. Ca3PO42, is that the next one? CaPO. Troy, how many CAs?
3.
Troy's voice has changed. 3. How many P's? And how many O's? 8. For a total of 13, right? Okay, how many K's here, Chance?
Where? On paper? Or 2?
2 K's. How many CRs? Just 1. How many O's?
3.
I think that's a 4.
No, freaking wait, man. No, shit, we're doing
Okay, easy.
I was doing the first one.
Okay, well, let's do this one.
Which one? Oh, we already done it.
Okay, well, let's do the next one then. It's the
Which one's
4th one.
that?
The 4th one.
Okay.
3 BAs.
3 and 2.
You got BAs and you got CLs. We got 3 BAs. See, now remember, watch here, you guys. What does this mean? It means 3 of that, right? There's no bracket there, but that's what it means. So it's actually, Chance, it's 3 BAs,
Yeah, that's what I said.
but how many CLs?
I said 2.
I know, but how many is it? It's not 2. It's 3 CL2s. I have a CL2 and a CL2
What, 6?
and a CL2. I got 3 of them. Don't guess, think. How many? No, just you can do it.
You want me to count those? Or?
I do want you to count them.
6.
6.
Didn't I say that?
No. Well, you said that about 8 other numbers too.
Yeah. Did I
It's
say that?
3 Cl2s, which is 6.
What the? Whatever.
Okay, no, man, not whatever. Don't you want to get it?
Okay, look.
How many N's?
Didn't even do that one. Calm down.
I'll pause here for a second. How many N's altogether? Just one single one out front, Cole. Watch, please. Just one out front, right? Now the H's, Cole. The H's is a little bit harder. How many H's here? 4 here, 3 there for a total of 7. How many C's altogether? 2. I can skip that H, and then there's 2 O's. What if I were to put, say, a 3 out front like that? What would it do to everything? It would just, everything would be by 3, wouldn't it? It would be 3 N's. It would be 3 times 4 would be 12, and 3 times 3 is 9. 12 and 9 is 21. 3 times 3 is 9 C's and 6 O's. That's how that would work, right? The number out front just multiplies everything. Oh, it would be 6, wouldn't it? Okay? Is this the last one?
No.
Okay, 4Al2CO33. We got Al's, we got C's, and we got O's. How do you know it's a C and an O and not capitals, right? Watch out for that. Okay, how many Al's altogether? 8. I got 4 Al2s, which is 8. I've got 3 CO3s, so 3 C's, but there's 4 of those, so 12. And here I got O3, but there's 3 of those, that's 9 times 4. 9 times 4? 36, isn't it?
Yeah.
3 times 3 is 9. Times 4 is 36. Jocelyn, you need to watch. Put the phone away, please. It'll wait. I can't even add that there's so many. There's 20. That's 56 altogether, isn't it? Okay. Is this the last one?
No.
How many are there? PB and O. How many PBs?
1.
Just 1. Graham, how many N's?
1.
Graham, 2 N's. Why? Because of that 2 there, right? 2 times 1, and a total of 6 O's, for a total of 9, I guess. Pretty easy. Once you get going. This has got to be the last one. Okay. Okay, this is the hardest one of the bunch, isn't it?
Oh, no.
It's not? Oh. Okay, so I got N, I got H, CR, oh, I'm missing one, aren't I? I'm missing a spot, and I got an O. Okay. How many M's, Troy? These 2 right? Why not, Christian? Yeah, there's 2 NH4s, right? So this 2 goes with the N, and then there's 2 of those. So there's 4 N's. How many H's? 2 times 4 is 8. 2 of those is 16. CR2, but there's 2 of those, so that's 4. And 07, but there's 2 of those, so that's 14, and whatever the total is, 20, 24, 28, 38 altogether, right? All right, good. Now what was the practice? This is the, I know how to do this, I'm going to show you I know how to do it. This one's for marks. If you can't do this, I'll go back and I'll help you with the practice one. We're not helping you with this one. You know what, Christian? We can solve that. If you're so worried about a costume, let me come over here. It'll be okay. He won't copy from way over here. It'll be great. But he won't be copying you.
Yeah.
Oh, well, you'll be okay. This is another one of those choice ones. I'm only going to give you a maximum of 8 on the front and a maximum of 2 on the back. You do as many as you need to get those marks. If you only do 2 and you get 0, you get 0. If you do 5 and you get 2 on them, you still get 2 out of 2.